Hello, 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 and welcome to the Traveling Aquarian. I had an amazing trip to Sleepy Hollow and Tarrytown, New York. It was a great visit. I learned so many things. Is the tale of the Headless Horseman real? Do you know about the woman who was outcast and called a witch? And do you even know why the town is called Sleepy Hollow? Take a seat and listen to my trip on some great places to visit. Our first stop was to Lyonhurst Mansion. Unfortunately, the tickets were sold out for the day for tours, and we did purchase $10 to come in and walk the grounds. There's also $5 fee if you're walking in. This is a 67-acre mansion that overlooks the Hudson River with beautiful views. And of course, we had some great photos with the fall foliage with all the different colors overlooking the river. I walked into the Welcome Center. I noticed that the two paintings looked very familiar. It was Barnabas Collins and Angelique from the hit TV show Dark Shadows, something I watched growing up as a kid. To my surprise, they filmed some scenes here, and it was a set for many other movies to come. No woman of her race could afford such a place. This was written by the New York Times. Madam C.J. Walker was born to formerly enslaved parents and became the first self-made billionaire. She wanted black people to know that they could achieve anything they wanted and be entrepreneurs. Her mansion sat aside the most prominent men in New York. Next, we have the Octagon House, which has been restored to its 1872 appearance. You do need tickets because this is a private residence. Come out and take a tour and hear about the previous owners and even some ghost stories. Welcome to Sleepy Hollow Cemetery, where this is the resting place of many famous people, including Washington Irving, Andrew Carnegie, Walter Chrysler, William Rockefeller, and many more. The cemetery holds events all year long, from tours to events honoring people who has been buried here. If you'd like to find out more, please visit their website, a Sleepy Hollow Cemetery, for some more information. There are some beautiful views along the top of the hills overlooking the town. If you walk down the path of the cemetery's driveway, you will come to Sleepy Hollow's Bridge. This bridge is famous for the story of Ichabod Crane, who leads the Headless Horseman on a chase through the woods, and he's finally caught at the foot of the wooden bridge. This is still a story that's a mystery because Ichabod Crane was never found. They don't know if he disappeared or if he was killed by the horsemen. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please follow my blog, The Traveling Aquarian. You may also subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and you may find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. I'm here to bring some great adventures to you and some wonderful places to visit, and I hope you enjoy this and some of my other stories I have to share with you.